Why is GenAI a good solution for this?
So I'm going to walk you through examples where GenAI was effective, where we applied NLP techniques. So when we talk about savings, I categorize it into two categories: cost savings and cost avoidance. So in cost of savings, we had a very interesting use case, and this was back in 2023 May, where Blue Cross acquired a company and became a fully owned subsidiary of Blue Cross. And the task given to us, or Contracts GPT, was you have this acquired company that has its products with contracts, and then you have Blue Cross with its list of contracts. There were about 166 products defined for this subsidiary, and Blue Cross has about approximately 1,200 products. And the task was to identify overlapping products or contracts where products had similar capabilities. So where GenAI was effective was we took these two data sources, which happened to be Excel, your traditional tabular form, and we used GenAI to create the capabilities for these products. And then we use GenAI to generate the functions for these products. And then we use GenAI to actually use LLM as a judge to judge how close these products were. And this is back in 2023 May, when we, for the first time in the industry, probably we were using LLM as a judge. And I'll give you share an exact example. And so out of the 166 products that were owned by the subsidiary and then or defined by the subsidiary, and 1,200 products, we identified 99 products that were overlapping. And that was a saving of millions of dollars. Now, I'll share an example where GenAI was effective. Specifically, we identified Symantec as being a common supplier. We used GenAI to define the product capability, and basically product capability defines the market space you're in. And GenAI correctly identified that this was a security product dealing with DLP, data leakage prevention, and then it defined the functions and features. It was intrusion only or intrusion prevention, and then we use GenAI to say how closely these products were related from both entities.
Yeah.
And so in a nutshell, the pipeline was simple: ingesting these data sources, creating a product capability, defining the function features, and then categorizing how strong the relationship was between these products, and then aligning it using NLP techniques to these contracts where the cost was associated with it.